Wildfires in the Los Angeles area of California continue to rage, with reports as of the 13th confirming at least 25 deaths and the evacuation of over 92,000 residents. The National Weather Service (NWS) issued a particularly dangerous situation warning, predicting strong winds later this week that could further intensify the fires. According to the NWS, strong winds are expected to hit the Los Angeles region from the 13th to the 15th, with gusts reaching up to 112 kilometers per hour, 70 miles per hour. These conditions are creating extremely dangerous fire weather across Southern California's coastal areas. The NWS issued the highest level fire danger warning for parts of Santa Barbara County, Ventura County, and Los Angeles County. Data from the California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection, CAL FIRE, indicates that the total area burned by the wildfires in California has reached approximately 164.3 square kilometers, about 63.4 square miles. The two largest fires, the Palisades Fire and the Eaton Fire, have burned 96 square kilometers, 37 square miles, and 57 square kilometers, 22 square miles, respectively. Firefighters have managed to increase containment to around 14% for the Palisades Fire and 33% for the Eaton Fire. Los Angeles County Sheriff Robert Luna announced that 34 arrests have been made during the wildfires for various offenses, including burglaries, theft, illegal drone operations, and violating curfews. Curfews remain in effect in mandatory evacuation zones for the Palisades and Eaton fires. California Governor Gavin Newsom stated on the 12th that the Los Angeles wildfires, in terms of scale and economic damage, it could become one of the most severe natural disasters in U.S. history. He warned that the death toll could rise further. Meanwhile, reports of wealthy individuals and celebrities hiring private firefighters to protect their mansions during the wildfires have sparked public outrage. According to the New York Times, private firefighters are primarily tasked with wildfire prevention measures around homes, such as clearing vegetation, spraying fire retardants, and sealing vents with fireproof tape before the fires arrive. A vice president of a private firefighting company in Oregon revealed that a small team consisting of 2 firefighters and a single vehicle costs $3,000 per day, while a larger team of 20 firefighters and 4 vehicles can cost up to $10,000 per day. Over the past few decades, as wildfires have grown more frequent and intense, demand for private firefighters among wealthy Americans has steadily increased. At the same time, public criticism of this practice has intensified. In 2018, California passed legislation to regulate the private firefighting industry. This law requires private firefighters to coordinate with public fire agencies during wildfires, prohibits them from using public emergency vehicles or equipment like sirens and emergency lights, and restricts their use of public fire hydrants, which has also been a source of controversy and criticism.